Hey guys, so if you guys are like me and have a toddler who is learning to open the doors, my son can open the sliding glass door for the backyard and he's trying to go out. We can use a stick to stop him from doing it, but it still opens up slightly and it's kind of annoying to have to bend over and kind of remove the stick every single time. So one solution that I found are these sliding door child locks, and they come in a pack of 4. They're about $14 or so on Amazon, and I will link it down in the description box below. But basically the idea is they have double-sided tape in the back, 3M tape in the back, so you can peel that and clean your surface with alcohol to give it a good surface for it to adhere to. And when you put it on, it's really not going to want to come off. If you do need to take it off, you can gently pry it and it will come off that way. But if you're removing it after it's been there for a long time, you may have to use dental floss to kind of cut away the 3M tape. So the way they work is this is in a closed position, and then if you hit these 2 buttons on the side, this flapper flaps open, and then this door hits the flapper and it can't come forward. And then you just close it whenever you want to use it. So one little issue that I did run into is, and I'm sure a lot of you guys might have this issue, your sliding glass door might not have enough of a space between your glass and your frame. And that was also the case with mine. And I found that this plastic is actually quite a soft plastic. So what I did was this, and I'll try to show it to you on camera. Took a razor blade and open the door so where it touches, and if you can see, you can gently take away some material with the razor blade. You can cut it off. You can see that. I did mine at a little angle, so it kind of gives it like a slope for the glass door to ride along. And then you can just go ahead and cut that angle down this side over here. And what that will do is make a little kind of like a ramp for this to go onto this, and that way it will hit. So if you go across it and if you hit resistance, you can keep doing it, but of course it clears it after I've did this part. So one little trick I did was I installed this slightly at an angle, so this is the first spot that it touches. So I only had to really grind this part down a little bit, and then once it catches in this whole glass kind of goes in with it, and then you make clearance that way. So when you don't want your kid to go through, open the door, you can just flip this open, and then the flapper goes open, and then the door hits this the flapper, and this is like a soft rubbery material, so it doesn't damage or scratch your door. And then once your kid's not around and you want to use your door freely, you can just close it that way, and then it's free to go. So if you guys are interested, the link of this product is in the description box below. Go ahead and check it out. If you guys have kids, and if your parents or grandparents or someone's babysitting, since this comes in a pack of 4, you might get one for yourself and give out 1 or 2 to your parents or your grandparents so they can install it on their door as well. And that way, if they're babysitting, your child is safe over there and they can't escape. So thank you guys for watching. If this helps you out, please share it to other parents that that might benefit from this product. And of course, the link is in the description box below. It's about $14 through Amazon, and it was like a 1 day shipping. It was actually really quick. So thank you guys for watching, and have a wonderful day.